In today's watercolor tutorial, we will be painting Northern Lights. Painting Northern Lights is relaxing, and the final painting will bring happiness to you. Enjoy this creative process as you watch the colors flow on the paper. I enjoy painting with watercolors as it brings me joy as well as it helps me to relax. To paint Northern Lights, I use a size 8 and a size 2 round brush. Watercolor paints in the shades cobalt green, phthalo blue, Prussian blue and black. And for the stars, I use white gouache. I tape down the edges of the paper to get a neat border around the painting. We begin by wetting the paper with clear water. Make sure the paper is covered evenly with water. We start by making a stroke using a bit of green from one corner of the paper and sweep your brush upwards across the paper. Make 2 more strokes using green and enjoy watching the paint spread over the paper. It's mesmerizing. Slowly peel the tape away from the paper. And there you have painted a beautiful Northern Lights painting. Hope you enjoyed painting along and feel refreshed and relaxed after creating this painting.